So I'm going to teach you my method on how to buy a refrigerator for only $50. And the secret is you got to have balls of steel and lowball people. Now here's how I did it. Step 1, go to Craigslist. Step 2, make sure you find about 40 fridges that you like. Okay, nothing special, no stainless steel, no black fridges. Those two are expensive and people know it. Just get a white fridge, not like this. This is ugly. This is a beige fridge. Don't do beige. Do a white fridge. Top mount, no gadgets, just very simple. Open about 40 tabs of fridges that you like, and then email all of them. And just say, I could buy this for $50 today. Now the secret is you have to be able to pick it up yourself. Now a way to get around that is just hire someone on Craigslist on the services section or appliance section. Fridge haulers, fridge movers, they're about 50 bucks, maybe 75 bucks. And you could hire them to come and get the fridge that you bought for $50. So that would be a $100 fridge, $125 fridge, which is still a lot cheaper than what these people that are selling the fridges want to get and expect to get. Just don't beat around the bush. Don't lie. Don't be like I'm poor. Just say, hey, I'd love to get this fridge today. I can give you 50 bucks and I'll haul it right away, cash. And the reason why I picked 40 people for you is because about 30 of them are going to say no or fuck off or you fucking lowball asshole or some weird shit. And then about 10 people, about 5 more people will just, let me think about it. Let me see if I can sell it or not. And then there'll be about 4 or 5 people that'll just be like, you come today. And they might respond right away. They might respond in 2 or 3 days. And the first one you get that you like, and you liked all 40 of them, again, just go and get it. You'll get it. Now, to make this work though, you have to do something. You have to wait until around the 25th of the month till the 1st, okay? And why do you think I say that? Because people are moving out. And you'll get a lot, you might even get 10 or more people saying, yeah, come and get it, $50. The reason is because they need to move out, and they're moving out that day or the next day, and it hasn't sold. They've had it up for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, and they cannot get rid of it, and they have to get it out or they'll be charged by their apartment company, the management company, or they just want it out, So I used to do this a lot for my fridge business. I would buy about 20 or 30 a month doing this. You just got to be, just don't get mad at the people that call you an asshole. Just ignore them. And you'll get a good fridge. Now, below is a link to another video on how to buy a used fridge without getting ripped off. So go ahead and watch that next.